Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been doing a few videos for days, but I've been thinking, what should I do? And I came up with an idea. Today's video is going to be about some baking, so I'm very excited. I've not done one of these for a pretty long time, so I hope you like and subscribe if you want more baking videos. But let's just get on with the video. Let's go. So first, today, I think I'm going to be making some pancakes. And this morning, I went out in my backyard and I got some fresh raspberries. I washed them, just in here. Some fresh raspberries from the back garden. And I think I may use them for my topping, so it would be good to use them, for toppings inside. So let's get started. First, we need flour, sugar, a bowl, and some eggs. These are all the ingredients. You need a bowl, you need sugar, brown sugar, white, you need plain flour, you need an egg pack. Oh, and one more thing, or two more things. Milk and butter. Now we've got all our ingredients, let's start. So first, we are going to get our eggs. Here are eggs. We are going to get 2 eggs for this. Maybe 2 eggs. And now we're going to crack it, so we're going to take this out. We're going to gently crack once, and it should open. Just like that. And then that little stick open. Second one. Oh, that needed the second one. Second crack. Right, that's good. And now we are going to whisk it together, and this would make the pancake more fluffier because you whisk the eggs on its own. So I'll be back when it's whisked. It's all whisked now. I'm going to do one more extra whisk. And it should be done. Now we're going to put our whisk here. We are going to take our eggs away because we don't need them anymore. And now we are going to continue with the pancakes. So now we are going to use the brown sugar, the light brown sugar. For this, we are going to use a cup. So I'm just going to go scooting. Okay, so now we are going to use this mini cup because sometimes if you put too much sugar, the pancake wouldn't really, it would cook, but it would kind of break apart when it's in the pack. So you want to use something like this. And you're going to pour it in. Just move the milk over here. Almost fell on me. Gonna move it over here. Perfect. Now we are going to pour in our sugar. There we go. As you could see, you don't really need to fill it up at the top, but about that much. Take our bowl and pour it in. That should be enough, because when there's 2 eggs, and if you do a cup like this, it would be way too much sugar. So, Okay, so as you can see, we've got the eggs whisked. We've not whisked in the sugar, but now we are going to do that. So you want to start by mixing side to side like that. Sometimes you want to whisk the things separately, so the results will be good, okay? So you can tilt your bowl like that in the whisk. I'll show you that way. It'll create the fluffiness inside the pancakes. going to go in and we are going to add our butter. I use this Perfect for Cakes because we are going to be making a pancake. So I thought maybe the Perfect for Cakes butter would do. So let's open up the butter. I've been using it a lot. So we are going to use a spoon, about a teaspoon kind of. You want to kind of scoop it out like that. Okay, so just tap it on the bowl and it should fall like that. Gonna close our butter. We no longer need. It's kind of there, and we are going to mix. We've mixed all we could, the butter, because I don't really want to use the whisker right now. I just don't. So next, we are going to be adding our flour. I used one of these. They are basically jam jars. These are jam jars. I'm gonna put 1 cup of jam jar, 1 cup of a jam jar. 1 cup of flour in a jam jar. Okay, why did I keep one thing down there? Anyways, we are going to mix with this one right here. Okay? I'm going to mix and I'm coming back, okay?
She's not doing it.
Mixing our dough. Look at that. I think I've mixed enough. So now we are going to add our milk so it'll be easier and a bit liquidier. Because I think it's too thick right now. So we're gonna open our milk. Just smelling the milk. No reason. Just smelling. It smells okay. So now we are going to use the same glass that we used for the sugar. And we're going to pour about half of the milk. Like that. It's like a quarter, but like half. Okay? And we are going to pour all of that in. We're going to mix with a spoon this time. Sorry guys if you hate me, but it's easier with a spoon. So I'll see you when all of this is done. That noise sounds good. Alright. I'm going to put this over there. Oh! Alright. And we're going to mix all of that gooey stuff together. It looks like honeycomb a bit. The milk does, but the mixture, no, it really doesn't. Okay, so we are going to mix all of this. It was very easy to mix all of this together. I was a bit surprised, but so that's all mixed together. Now, we are going to take our precious raspberries. Don't look. Why you still looking? So we got our precious raspberries. I found that on the stall, but I did it. So these are the raspberries. Anyways, we're going to put the juice in. Well, we already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raspberries inside. So 6, 7. Just to say, guys, it's okay. They are not poisonous. I've been eating these for a while now, so I'm still here, okay? I hope this is not poisonous, the raspberries. But I've been eating for a long time these raspberries because I have a whole raspberry bush at my back garden. And every morning I would pick raspberries out because they actually rot pretty fast. Pretty quick, I mean. So yeah. We are mixing, it's like raspberry pancakes. So I'm kind of excited how this is going to turn out. Yeah, I've done stuff like this, like churros. They're like, you know how these long fry sticks thingies? Churros. We call it churros. It's like Portuguese or Spanish thing they eat. It's really nice. And I put raspberries in it, and it tastes so nice. I can, like, make one if you want me. Comment down below what thing should I make next. Okay, so now we've mixed all of the things together. I'm gonna go and get the frying pan. Just waiting it to heat up. It's kind of melting. Steamy baby. Steamy. It's very steamy in here. You can see the steam. Now it's hot and sizzling. Let's add our mixture. So we are going to put in our mixture. It's a bit liquidy, so it should be able to spread. Okay, yeah, that should be enough. So we got all of that going on. Change my accent. We are going to circle around just to spread out our uneven pancake. I've made pancakes a lot of times. And I have good days and I have bad days. Today is a good day. I mean, good day. I don't want to burn my hands, but good day. So I'm just going to wait for this, and I'll see you in a sec. It's frying, guys! Look at those pancakes move. Look at that move. Can't wait to flip this. Look at that. You can lift it up. Woo! Time to flip. I'm going to flip this bad boy here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. These pancakes are looking yummy. Oh, it's cooked. I feel it. I feel you, girl. I'm just going to squeeze. Can't believe it. It's like really nice. I like it, like the raspberry texture. Okay. Oh, I can't imagine what it would be like. I mean, a pancake. Like I can't imagine how good it would taste. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna flip this pancake. See how it is. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. So now, you're gonna flip it one more time onto the plate. Next batter. First, we need butter. We're gonna get a spoon for this. Sorry. I'm gonna get a spoon. Scoop up some butter. I love this. Woo, 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 woo. It's hot though. Really hot. Let it down. That's right here. And we're gonna pour our mixture in. Sorry, just me eating raw pasta. Wow. Oh wait, mixture. We're going to spread, so like I don't want a pancake this thick. Sometimes if you do your pancakes way too thick, they won't really cook as well. So we're gonna spread this pancake out. There we go. Just a little hair. All right, let's flip this pancake. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That one is really nice. 3, 2, 1. Yes, perfect. Next one. Okay.
Last pancake.
Last pancake of the day. These are really good pancakes. Alright. We are going to spread. Spread. I really like doing these baking / cooking shows. They're really fun. That's for my dates. I'm cooking. I don't know how to do it. Okay. Ooh, I think it's almost, I said almost ready to flip. So I'm gonna go and take my big spatula, like SpongeBob. I have the golden spatula.
Escumadeira.
In Portuguese, we call it escumadeira. If you are Portuguese, that's the only thing you're gonna understand in this video. Okay, now we are going to flip our last one and only perfect pancake! It's Wednesday. I think Wednesday is my lucky day. I think Wednesday is the day that, you know, everything good happens to me. I don't know, every day I always, like a few days ago, I was painting. I felt so good after I painted, because I've not been painting for a while. Once I painted this thing, I painted NHS poster. Like, basically, I put some duct tape and NHS, and then, you know, I painted over it and everything. You know, I painted over it and everything, so yeah. Time to flip. Ooh, that looks so yummy. These ones look so yummy too. That one looks yummy. That one. That. Oh, I don't know. Boom. That's us done our pancakes. We're going to switch it up now. There we go. We're going to put that here. And this is how the pancakes look. We got 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 stacked pancakes. Now, to mix it up a little, we're going to get our favorite jam. Strawberry. We're only going to put a little bit. I'll be done in a few secs. We're going to spread it now. We got our butter knife. Put it. We're going to spread on our delicious pancake. I've actually not had breakfast. You'll be thinking, what? Zay? You seriously didn't have breakfast? I know, it's like 11 or something. Yep, 11. And I've still not had breakfast. Well, it's 11 in the morning, not at night. Like, of course I would have breakfast past that. So I've done. Strasberry is actually a thing. Oh, it's a bit blurry. No, it's blurry. There's Strasberry jam. It is raspberry and strawberry together. But I actually have strawberry jam. I just don't want to use it. We are going to go and get some ingredients. I mean, more ingredients. We are going to use some raspberries. Some Frosties. And we are done. So this is the final product. I'm going to go and get all the decorations and then I'm going to show you properly. I mashed all the raspberries into this to make kind of like this a spread. And we're going to do one last layer. So we're going to take this layer. The counter's clean, don't worry. And we're going to take a few raspberries. Like that. And then just going to mush it all together. And it makes this type of raspberry sauce. You can even, make actual raspberry jam. All you need to do is pick your favorite fruit, blend it with the sugar and boil, put it in the fridge, and there you go. You have your own raspberry jam. So just mixing up all those raspberries together. Mix this type of sauce. We are going to put our second and last layer on. Just fix up the detail. And there you have it. And there you have it. That's how you make your raspberry pancakes and a refreshing lemonade just from yesterday. Straight from the fridge. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today. I hope you learned something new, and remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more baking videos like this. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. So this is it for today. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.